following me, man. What are you doing? Look what he did. Look at it. Hi, pretty bird. There's my pretty bird. See, guys. Of course, yesterday, this one came right after my phone died, and I couldn't get her. Just getting some extras today. Hi, babes. Pretty bird. Where'd you go? Where'd you go? I can't whistle anymore, guys. I don't know why. Oh, where'd you go? I don't see you. I think you're on the fence, but I can't see you. Pretty bird! Oh, that is a bird. Yep, you guys can see him. Let's see. Zoom in a little more. Whoa! Hi. Hi, pretty bird. You want this nut? Whoa. Look how close she gets. Hi. Oh, the woodpecker. Hi, pretty bird. Are you gonna pack the wood? Pretty bird. Pretty bird. I can't keep up with him. Hi. That's the woodpecker, guys. How cool, man. That's a different woodpecker because the other one was all black. Where'd he go? Wait, what was this? I'll head peek out. Look at that. Oh.